how you guys doing today? I hope you guys doing wonderful. Today's a beautiful day. It's in the evening, and I just come to take a look at the progress and what's going on. So what I really want to talk about today is the soil and how important the soil is to the plant. We talk about natural growing food the natural way, like the old times, the way nature operates. Because nature, in the jungle, nobody goes there to feed the plant, but guess what? They survive and become huge trees. So I just want to break it down a little, how important the plant is and why we need soil with nutrients inside of it. Okay? Because when the soil have nutrients and mineral inside of it, it also feed the plant. The plant suck the mineral and the nutrients from the soil, and the fruits end up with the nutrients and the minerals. Now we need that nutrients and that mineral, so we able to get that from the plant. All right? Now, if you add in a lot of different things to your soil, that could kill the mineral and the nutrients. So now you have a big plant, a big tomato, big potato, but there's no nutrients within that plant. So now we're not getting the nutrients, we're not getting the mineral, so we're not getting healthy. Why we're not getting healthy? Because the plant is not giving us what we need. The food we eat is not giving us what we need to strengthen our body. So this is how important the soil is to the plant. Okay? Good soil produce good plant. Good healthy plant produce good food for us. So it's very important for us to create a natural healthy soil. Okay, like in the garden, sometimes we see a lot of weeds growing up. But those weeds growing up in your garden for a reason. Those weeds let go a lot of minerals and nutrients in the soil. That's why sometimes those same weeds, you could use them and make compost, because those weeds adds a lot of benefit to your plant. There's a lot of plants you see growing up, they adds mineral and nutrients to your plant. So you're running trying to add all these things to your soil. Instead of you building the soil, you destroying your soil. Number one, you got to understand this. You got to be patient when coming and building a soil to create healthy plants for you. It can't happen overnight. You have to have patience. So don't run and try adding all different things, telling yourself you're doing something, and at the same time you're killing your soil and your plant have no nutrients and no minerals to feed you. Okay? So I just want to get that out the way. It's very important to create a natural, healthy soil for your plant.